Bazingo.
Standard Bank CodeJam is an acknowledgement, firstly, that we strongly believe that engineering really matters. We believe very deeply in developing talent, both internal and external to the bank. We have a commitment to the technology industry in South Africa. So for us, this is a very clear alignment with young talent. Come to us, we really value those engineering skills.
The Vuma stuff which we were doing in the beginning of the year was similar, but this one is specifically for coders.
We've got some real staff challenges that we put to the teams, and we want to see what they can come up with in a 36-hour period.
Going to be quite interesting. We're looking forward to a good challenge.
Excitement. The guys are just, you can see they're like seriously stoked about being part of this.
At the end of the day, it's going to be a code.
What excites me is the buzz in the room. You can see the guys are going at it and they're very, gung-ho.
Building the morale in the team. It's that mojo that we've had when we were the first, to bring ATMs to the country, and when we had Beltel. And it's kind of that feeling, that sense of exploring the new, which is really important for where we're going with the digital bank of the future. So I think this is groundbreaking work. It's, for me, almost more about the cultural change than it is about the code, even though I think we will get real funky solutions.
Yeah, 25 hours straight. Looks like we'll still be here till 4 o'clock today, so we're going to wrap the 30 hour. It's quite a push for a coder, and quite a push on the team.
A little wasted myself. The rest of the guys, I'm sure, also feel pretty wasted.
At certain points, your body just gives up. The brain just shuts down. So you're like a zombie, you're just working the emotion.
Well, at this point in time, it's been about 24, 25 hours. It's been quite a long haul. Must admit it's quite tiring. We've lost some people in between, but they popped back up.
It was interesting to work through the night in the middle of a rave or a street party or whatever you want to call it. A couple of gunshots, some sirens, lots of duk-duk. But yeah, maybe kept us awake.
You're not getting paid for this. This is really, it's got to be something special. Obviously, we're trying to develop a culture, and we're trying to bring the elitism back into the profession of IT.
We are ahead of schedule. Behind us is the task force that we created, and we've completed everything that we scheduled to do. We are ready to go for our presentation.
SQL we only installed this morning at
5. Well, the presentation skills are probably a little bit lacking.
Other tab, just click the other tab. Click the other tab. Right.
But the technical solutions we've seen are absolutely mind-blowing. This has been like a dictionary of new terms, new technologies. Guys have been completely unafraid to try things that we may not use every single day. So I've been blown away by the solutions we've seen in the 36 hours these guys had to work with. It's quite clear guys have had a huge amount of fun, and it's part of the outcome we're after. Sexy stuff, a great event, people having a whole bunch of fun. That's what we want.
Well, look, I think we chose probably the hardest question. It's a practical example, so you can really test it. But it was also the hardest because it's so much risk. It had everything from cloud computing integration, which no one had done yet, all the way through to technology, which your phone had to be compatible for in order to actually achieve success on it.
You could see that this was a badge of honor. even though there were prizes, it was more about that thing of working together with your peers and showing them what you can do. And I think that's going to stand the bank in real good stead as we go forward.